I just cleaned my room, so I figured I would do a room tour. Right next to my door, I have my vanity. I was also going to say where everything's from. These drawers are from IKEA, and so is this desk. My light is from Amazon. These two little shelves are from some random site that I got like 2 years ago, and they stayed under my bed forever, and we just got them hung up like a month ago. So I don't know where they're from. But this shelf just has all Drunk Elephant, and this shelf is just a bunch of random stuff. This container I love so much. It holds all of my lip products, and I'm like literally obsessed with it. I even keep like perfumes in here. I keep all of my headbands on top of my mirror. One thing I don't love about my vanity is this container, but I didn't know what else to put my brushes in, so I'm looking for a shorter one so I don't have to dig in here for my brushes, but I'm on the hunt for one currently. I love this container. It holds them so well. Love that. This ghost chair I got off Facebook Marketplace, so I couldn't tell you where it's from. And then I also keep a little trash can. And then right next to my vanity is my closet, but it's very small. Here's a fast glimpse, but I keep all my shoes on this door. That's all I'm showing because it's really bad. I can't even see the floor in my closet. It's really bad. Moving on from my closet, I just have my suitcase here. The rest of my family keeps their suitcases upstairs, but I do not because I don't want it to get dusty up there. I wanted a suitcase for the longest time and didn't have one. Well, I had one, but it wasn't cute. And then I got one for my birthday, and I'm just obsessed with it. It cannot have any scratches on it or anything. Like, that's my baby. So beside that, I have my dresser and my TV. So I started watching the Kardashians last night, and I'm loving it. Anyways, on my dresser, I just keep my speaker because I use it daily. I also keep this computer. I don't really use it that much, but my parents just gave it to me, so I like it. And then my AirPods. Also, isn't this the most beautiful candle you've ever seen? I'm actually obsessed with zebra print. Like, when I was a kid, I wanted my room to be hot pink and zebra print. Do you remember, like, there was a thing. It was either you are a Paris girl, and it was all black and pink, or you were a zebra and hot pink, or you were a teal and, what was it? Teal and something else. I was the zebra. I never had my room zebra, and I never had my room, like, pink or anything. My walls were yellow. I was not allowed to change it, but now I'm still obsessed with zebra print. Moving on, beside my dresser, I just have all my packages that I need to open and my Facebook Marketplace mirror. I freaking love Facebook Marketplace, and I'm obsessed because this mirror was like $250 or $300 originally, and I got it for like $50. Beside my mirror, I have my arch window, which I love, and then my shelves. One of my very best friends moved to Florida recently, and she gave me this plant. She's one of those girls that has like a lot of plants and like makes everything homemade, and everything is like earthy and all that. So when she gave me her plants, I was like, yes, I might kill it, but I'll take it. I have not killed it yet, but I did just water it today for the first time in like 3 months, so I really don't know how it's still living, but it's here. It is turning yellow. And then I just have like some boxes. This thing is actually from Ross. I just saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. This is also from Ross. I just love it. This is my little Gucci box, which I think is so cute. This is also from Ross. It's got a little chip, but I don't really care. I went to Ross like after I got these shelves because I was like, I need something to put on these shelves and I don't know what I'm gonna get. And I found all of those things at one time there. Wait, let me show you what else I got at Ross. These canvases on the top shelf are from there, and I'm so obsessed with those. And all the bags on there are either from my mom or me, because I keep all her bags too when she gets something. Beside my shelves is my nightstand. Actually, all my furniture used to be orange, like orange wood, and I hated it. But when we built this house when I was in 6th grade, I had no style. And I was like, oh my gosh, this orange furniture is so cute. What was I thinking? I don't know. So me and my dad painted it white. Wait, I have to show you. I put this candle here because that's the color it used to be. Oh my god, it chipped off. I don't know how that happened, but it did. So I put this little candle on top because I don't like that. Anyways, my nightstand holds my safe that I just got for Christmas, which I love. And then I put my little Tiffany boxes on top because I love them. I just felt like the blue wouldn't look good on these shelves. And I have my Bible. And this also came from Ross that same day that I got everything else. And I freaking love it. I thought it was so pretty. And this is my phone cord because I have an outlet up there. And I like it because I can use it close to my bed. Oh, I never said what the shelves are from. The shelves are from IKEA. Next, my bed. I do have a king-size bed. This quilt is from Amazon. I will have it linked. These pillows I got at TJ Maxx. I sleep on silk pillowcases because it's good for you, and I love them. I also have 2 comforters. So this comforter I've had for like 3 years, and I don't know where it's from. I almost forgot. But this is my rug. It's my most favorite thing in the whole world. I bought it myself. It was a big purchase. This rug was like $400 when I got it, and I think it's cheaper now. I don't know. I'll have it linked for you guys, but I saw some college girls like putting it in their dorms, and I was like, that is the most beautiful rug I've ever seen in my whole life. I never said, but my bed is cloth. I think that's what you would call it. It's like that. And it goes all the way around, like, you know. Is also from Facebook Marketplace. I know that's a very controversial thing to buy off Facebook Marketplace. Not the mattress. I have a new mattress, like, just to myself. But a few years ago, my parents, like, they had already given me everything for my room, and I hated everything that I had, so I wanted to change it all, and they were like, okay, well, if you want to change it, you can use your own money. So I was on a budget. I got this bed for, like, $150. Crazy. But the lady that I bought it from actually worked for a furniture company, and she got the beds for like really cheap and all furniture for really cheap. So she didn't mind giving it away at such a cheap price, and I bargained with her. I was like, will you please go down? Will you please go down? So that's how I got my bed frame. Oh, and we recently painted the walls white and got crown molding. They used to be like turquoise blue. All white is the vibe.